Not just morning. We are Sciences, and we are here to talk about UVC mop, a solar-powered UVC device that attaches to mops and vacuums as a preventive measure against infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are illnesses caused by pathogens, microorganisms that can harm the body. One prevalent example of such disease is the COVID-19. These infectious diseases may spread in numerous ways. For example, surface transmission. Certain pathogens are able to survive on surfaces for a long period of time. It could take hours or days before they could no longer be able to infect people. Frequently touched objects such as phones and doorknobs are likely to have a lot of pathogens. Even our floors are highly likely to harbor these pathogens as well. And so, to prevent the survival and of pathogens and to prevent them from infecting people, frequent sanitation on surfaces is vital. There are many types of disinfectants, the most common being chemical disinfectants such as bleach and alcohol. Although these chemical disinfectants do their job well in killing pathogens, they also have shown numerous disadvantages.
Chemicals, however, are not the only way of disinfection. Another method is through the use of UV light. It is classified into three types: UVA, UVB, and UVC, with UVA being the weakest and UVC being the strongest. These types are classified based on their wavelengths. Thus, only UVC has enough energy to effectively disinfect microorganisms. This method is also known as ultraviolet germicidal irradiation, or UVGI for short. UVGI is definitely not new. As early as the 1877, scientists had already discovered that sunlight could stop the growth of microorganisms. This, and many more advancements, have led to the well-established market for UV today. Despite its benefits, it also comes with harmful risks. According to the FDA, even short periods of exposure to this type of UV can cause severe burns to the skin and temporary eye injuries.
Thus, to prevent such accidents and dangerous happenings, we need to know about the mechanisms of UVGI. The main mechanism of UVGI is that it breaks down the chemical bonds and scrambles the structure of nucleic acids. But this all happens in the inner workings of the cells. In every microorganism, there are DNA and RNA, which are polymers made out of smaller molecules called monomers, and in the case of DNA, called nucleotides. And there are four kinds of nucleotides: the A, C, T, and G. And in DNA, they have a special complementary base pairing wherein A bonds to the T molecule and G bonds to the C molecule. When UV light hits the C and T molecule, a chemical reaction occurs, causing the C and T to bond with neighboring base pairs, thus causing a bump in the DNA chain. When our cell detects this bump, it patches it out and replaces it with a new undamaged DNA patch. However, this could cause defects in the system because of the wrong complementary base pairings, which could result in the virus being not able to replicate and infect its host.
So our product is mainly a UVC device that is attachable to household cleaning tools such as mops or vacuums. This device has a solar panel attached to it, which can be a primary or secondary source of energy. It can also be recharged through direct wire outlets to the device. The goal of this product is to save you time and increase efficiency in cleaning and disinfecting. It has a two-in-one feature that will save time and energy while keeping in the terms of green chemistry. There are only a few requirements needed in making this product, and the main materials are the solar panel, the lithium rechargeable battery, the UVC device, the mop itself, and the minor tools needed in fully making this product.
So in conclusion, it is eco-friendly, low budget, and safe and efficient. It is eco-friendly because UV light is used, which kills all kinds of viruses. So it is a substitute for chemical disinfectants, meaning that there will be no residuals or toxic byproducts after disinfecting. Second, it is low budget. There have been already several UV devices used for disinfections, such as robots and stationary lamps, but it may serve as a financial problem to middle to low class Filipinos. So, with this product, the economical choice of using a traditional cleaning device, such as a mop, would better suit Filipino conditions. Lastly, it is safe and efficient. The UV light is directed to the floor and away from human contact, so it's safe for people to use. Its detachable feature allows it to be used not only on the floor but even on other high-touch areas such as countertops and doorknobs. And the product will be able to reach all areas of the room as well, such as under the beds and under the tables, unlike large UV machines that have to be moved around to thoroughly disinfect the room. It is also solar powered, so instead of having to buy the product multiple times, this device allows it to be used multiple times because of its recharging aspect.
This has been Sciences with our UVC mop. Thank you.